Hello, astute allies. Captain Create here. There is a Native American legend that goes like this. Long ago, during a time of great famine and starvation in the land, the Great Spirit sent down some berries from the skies to help the people. They ate the berries and used them for many things. The people used them in their cooking and for dyeing clothes. Their leaves and roots were used for medicines. They were very useful. Because the berries came from the skies, they became known as starberries. But do you know what those berries are called today? Drumroll please. Blueberries. You know, blueberries are pretty unique. In fact, they are one of the only berries that actually comes from North America and are also one of the only foods that are naturally blue.
Plus, if you look really closely at the top of each blueberry, you'll see that there is the shape of a star.
Wow, that's amazing!
Right? Blueberries really are amazing. They're also an excellent snack because they provide you with a lot of nutrients like vitamin K, which is important for bone health and to help heal from wounds, vitamin C, which is important for a lot of things, including growth and repair, as well as a bunch of other vitamins and minerals too.
Not to mention, they are absolutely delicious.
You can eat them fresh with pancakes, waffles, yogurt, mixed in with smoothies, for dessert like muffins and sweetbreads, or even have them in less traditional foods like salsas or pizzas, and all sorts of other yummy foods. That's really good.
Don't believe me? Ask the dish.
Check out the links in the description below. What's even better about blueberries is that in some places, they grow all year round. And if they don't in your area, you can almost always find them frozen in the store. So you can enjoy blueberries any time of year. So don't miss out on these amazing blueberries. Check out the links below for some tasty recipes, and don't forget to subscribe to Captain Create.